Everybody. Welcome to week 4. I'm going to take a few moments to introduce this week's project. Because it's a shorter week, it is a shorter project. But I'd like to begin with this quote that I took from a New York Times article. It says, "History isn't usually told by the bigwigs of the era, even if they are some of its main characters. Instead, it is often reconstructed from snapshots of ordinary lives. A handwritten recipe, a letter written by a soldier at the front, a drawing of a kitchen sink." This week, I'm going to ask you to create a snapshot of your ordinary life. To do that, you will be starting here with this overview document. This is what you found in Google Classroom. You're watching this screencast right now. I did break down the week for you. Many of you said that was helpful, so I went ahead and did it again. The bulk of this week, you guys, Tuesday's task takes the longest, and then it gets a little bit shorter each day in theory. By the end of the week, you need to complete week 4 overview Pear Deck. That's the Tuesday task. You need to post your work to assignment 4.4, which you'll find for your class period here on the Thursday task. And then you need to complete the week 4 self-reflection, which will be linked down here in the Friday box. So it's pretty straightforward. I do want to share with you a couple of things. This is the Tuesday task, the overview Pear Deck that you'll need to move through on your own. So this is going to be piece number 2 of the Bearing Witness project, which we started last week. It's going to be a sort of visual diary entry, and that's what this slideshow is going to walk you through. I do want to point out that, after reading through all of your feedback in the end of week form last week, I noticed a couple of common themes. Many of you said that you liked the structure of last week better, like the day-by-day breakdown helped you, but not everybody. So you can see I liked the week 1 and 2 system better. So not everybody's happy. I'm sorry, I'm trying my best. But if you want to take an overview of what folks kind of said, these were common themes that I found. One thing that I do want to point out is that many of you found, I think 3 or 4 of you said, like, man, it was just hard to get motivated last week. I get it. It's probably not going to get any easier. But with that in mind, I tried to make this week's project like interesting and fun and pretty simple. So as you move through this overview Pear Deck, you'll just do a quick write, and then it will get into asking you to create a visual. So my hope, my intention was that this week was kind of fun. And then many of you said that you need reminders to read every day. That's a piece that you're kind of missing. So what I did here on the overview was just reminded you, okay, after you do the Tuesday task, also you need to find time to read for 20 minutes every day, right? So I broke it down for you here, and you can use this as a checklist, those of you who might benefit from that. Please come and see me during office hours. This week is going to take, you're going to have to just kind of be self-directed and figure out how to upload your final visual onto your class slideshow. My goal is to get you an example there by the end of today, but I'm also trying not to work a lot today because I worked a lot this weekend. So anyway, please come and see me. I'll be around in my office hours Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning of this week, or shoot me an email, and I'm happy to meet up with you another way. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hang in there. I sure miss you, and I can't wait to see you in class this week. Okay, thanks.